Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on HP Compaq 17. So first, open the browser and type in what you want on your wallpaper. Just find some wallpaper that you want. You can also use your own photo. So I'll go with tiger wallpaper. No videos, images, and I like this one, so right click on it, save image as on downloads.png, save as all files and save. Now open your photo, click on these three dots on the top, set as and background. And that's it! Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.